Good morning, friends. I hope you were enjoying your time of lockdown, but study is necessary for us because we know that we are students of standard 9. So during the lockdown, you can also give some important and valuable time to your study. So now we have done exercise 2.5 till question number 30. Now we are moving on exercise 2.5 question number 14. Right? So here what to do without calculating the cube, find the value of this. See, इसका आंसर हम डायरेक्टली बता सकते हैं कि दिस इसका क्यूब प्लस इसका क्यूब प्लस इसका क्यूब तीनों का प्लस करें you can get the answer. But here what to do without doing the cubes? Then what to do? So we know that we are having one identity which we have discussed in previous class. That one is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to. If your question is like that, what will be your answer? Into first bracket x plus y plus z into second bracket x square y square z square xy yz. So here I want my question is like this. I don't have this. So this one is minus. I will if it is both that side it will become plus. ये minus है वहाँ पे जाएगा तो plus हो जाएगा. So now your identity will become like this. This will come this. Right? What I have done, first of all I have written the identity. I want to find this much only, so I no need to this. I don't need this left side, so it will go that side. It will become plus. So now I will put the value here. X means 12 cube, 7 cube, and 5 cube. What is the answer? Answer is this. So here minus 12 x means minus 12, y means 7 and z means 5. Here minus 12 square, y means 7, z means 5 minus xy means 12 and 7 minus 12 7. YZ means 7 5 and ZX means 5 minus 12. Now plus 3xy plus 3xyz minus 12 7 and 5. Here. So now if I solve this, see, this one is 7 plus 5, 12. Plus minus, sorry, 7 plus 5, 12. So plus 12. Clear? Now, here, you know that, see, this will become plus 12 minus 12, 0. And this, the entire is in multiplication. So, no need to solve this. Because 0 के साथ multiply क्या हो जाएगा? 0. तो इसको ऐसे इजी लिख दो, मल्टीप्लाई करने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर जीरो नहीं आता then we will multiply the all numbers or do the addition or subtraction. So जीरो के साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन में कुछ भी करो तो ये पार्ट आपका जीरो हो जाएगा. सी यहाँ तक किया है मल्टीप्लिकेशन, ठीक है. So it will become 0. Now if I multiply that 3 into 12 36 and 7 5s are 35. Clear? 12 3s are 36, 7 5s are 35. So what is the multiplication of 36 and 35? 5 6 are 30, 18. 1 2 6 0. So it will become 1 2 6 0. So this is your answer. So this way you can do the entire question. Right? Now I am doing the second question. Your second question is this 28 cube minus 15. ये दोनों स्टेप एज इट इज रहेंगे, यहाँ पे हमें चेंज करना पड़ेगा. So now I am putting the value. Your x means 28, y means minus 15, z means minus 30. Right? So x 28 minus 15 minus 30. Clear? Again, x square 28 square, y square minus 15 square, z square minus 13 square, xy 28, y means minus 15, yz minus 15 minus 13, zx minus 13, 20. Now plus 3xyz. So friends, this one will be 0. See, 28 minus 15, 13, 30 minus 13, 0. So again the same as previous. You don't need to solve this because we know that the answer of this term will be 0. So other you can write as it is. So this one will be 0 because 0 is in multiplication of all these. So the entire term will be 0. Now that side 28 3s are 84. Now ये दोनों का मल्टीप्लाई 84, ये दोनों में कितना होगा 15 into 13 195 minus minus plus. Clear? Now what is the multiplication of these two? If I multiply these two, become 16380. Clear? So this way you can do the questions like that. Now we are moving on next question. That will be question number 15. Given that is question number 15. What is your question number 15? Given possible expression for length and breadth of each of the following rectangle in which the area is given. We are given area, right? We have to find length and breadth. So area is given 25 a square 35a plus 20. So remember this type of question we have done in factorization. So what we have done? We have done the multiplication of these two. Right? What is the multiplication of these? 300. Now 300 जिस टेबल में आता है वो देखना है और 35 में करना है. ठीक है? So friends, 300 means I can write like this. 15 into 20 is equal to 300. Using these two, you can do 35. So what will be your answer? 20 into 15 is equal to 300. Now I want 35 and it will be minus. So minus 20 minus 15, it will become minus 31. So instead of this, I will write this two. So here 25 a square, 20a, 15a. Well, So 3 5s are 15 plus minus minus 3 4s are 12. So 5a minus 4 5a minus 3. So here we have to find the length and breadth. So I can write this is the area of rectangle. What is this? Area of rectangle. So we know that area of rectangle formula क्या है? L into B. So this is your L, this is your B. So here L is equal to 5a minus 4 and B is equal to 5a minus 3. You can write L this, B this also. ऐसा नहीं है कि यही L है, इसको भी L बोल सकते हो, इसको भी बोल सकते हो, ठीक है? So this way you can solve. Now question number 2. 35 y square y minus 12. What to do? Again the same question, 35 into 12. Here 35 is given. What is the multiplication of these two? 420. Clear? Now 420 टेबल देखना है, 13 लाना है. इतना बड़ा तो सर कैसे याद रहेगा? So आपको ऐसे करना है, इसके फैक्टर निकालो. 210 3 7 ये दोनों और इससे भी नहीं आ रहा है, मुझे चाहिए 13. ठीक है? 2 सॉरी अगेन 2 से करें 105 नहीं आ रहा है. 3 से करें 3 3s are 9 3 5s are 35 into 12 13 नहीं आएगा. 5 7 7s are नहीं आएगा. 7 1s are. ठीक है? अगेन do different combination. 7 2s are 14. मुझे 13 चाहिए. 7 3s are 21 20 13 कैसे आएगा? 5 2s are 10 5 2s are 10 10 2s are 20 ये कॉम्बिनेशन भी नहीं चलेगा. ठीक है? See again I am doing like this. 2 से नहीं होगा. 2 1 0 into 2 4 20 not possible. 3 से हम करें. So 3 से 3 1s are 3 4s are नहीं होगा. 4 से करें. 4 1s are 4 not possible. 5 से करें. 5 8s are 40 not possible. See I want 13. Clear? So 13 लाना है दोनों के हेल्प से. इससे भी नहीं होगा. 6 से करें. 6 7s are नहीं होगा. 7 6s are नहीं होगा. 8 8 5s are 48 से तो होगा ही नहीं. 10 से 42 10s are नहीं होगा. 11 12 से नहीं होगा. So it is difficult to find this using this. Again I am thinking like this. हमें कुछ भी करके 420 के फैक्टर निकालना है. ठीक है? 2 2 1 0 ये दोनों की हेल्प से नहीं होगा. 2 से 1 0 5 into 4 नहीं होगा. 3 से 3 3s are 9 35 12 नहीं होगा. 5 से 7s are नहीं होगा. 7 से 1s are नहीं होगा. So think like this. 7 2s are 14 5 3s are 15 2 30 and 14 16 चाहिए. नहीं होगा. ठीक है? 30 लाना है मुझे. 7 4s are 28, 5 3 are 15, ये दोनों की जोड़ी और ये तीन की जोड़ी, सी 7 2 are 14 2 are 28, तो ये दोनों के मल्टीप्लाई से क्या होगा 420. सो हियर आई कैन यूज लाइक दिस. सो अगर आपको फैक्टर नहीं मिल रहा है तो आपको ऐसे कॉम्बिनेशन बनाना है. ठीक है, पहले एलसीएम निकालो, ये दो लो, ये तीन लो, ये दो लो, ये तीन लो, ये दो लो, ये तीन लो, ऐसे कॉम्बिनेशन करके आप कुछ भी करके मुझे 13 लाना. ठीक है, so now what is here 35y square 28y 15y minus 12. Do common 7y 7 5s are 4s are 3 5s are again some problem is there 5y 4s are. ठीक है, यहाँ पर कुछ दिक्कत है फ्रेंड्स, इससे नहीं चलेगा 28 और 15 से, बिकॉज देखो मुझे माइनस चाहिए, यहाँ पे क्या है, सॉरी यहाँ पे आएगा माइनस. सो नाउ यू कैन डू लाइक दिस. सो 5y plus 4 7y minus 3, this is the area of rectangle, that will be L into B. This will be your L and this will be your B. So this way you can find. Clear? Now we are moving on last question of this chapter. Simply we have to find cuboid. Now possible expression or dimension of the cuboid. Here we have given volume of the cuboid. Okay, what is given? Volume, first one, question number 16. Volume of cuboid is given. What is this? 3x square minus 12. And second one, y square 8ky 20k. So what to do? First of all, see here two terms are there common. I can make 3x is common. Now if I make common 3x, what is remaining? X minus 4. So what is volume of cuboid? We know that volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H. So this one is your L, this one is your B, this one is your H. So L is equal to 3, B is equal to X and H is equal to X minus 4. You just have to compare this with this. Clear? Now in this question I am having common. What is common? Here K is common. 12, 8 and 20. See 12, 8 and 20. Common क्या आएगा? 12 means 2, 2, 3. 8 means 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 5. So common आएगा 4. So 4k common. If I make 4 common, what is remaining? 3y. 4k common, 2y and 5. So if you compare this is your L, this is your, now we have to factorize this. Here I can make more factor, 3 5s are 15. I want 2, so plus 5 minus 3. So what is remaining? 4k, 3y square, 5y, 3y, 5. If I do common, y common. So what is remaining? 3y plus 5. Here nothing is common. 1 common. Plus volume of cuboid is equal to L into P into H. This one is your L. This one is your P. This one is your H. So this way you can find L, B and H. So here the very important and big chapter over. This chapter is very important because the concept of all the chapter we will use in 10th standard and in 9th standard exams also it will be asked in much weightage of marks. So I hope you like the video. Please share and give good comments and enjoy your lockdown. Thank you friends.